Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We thought it would give you a really quick update on our very special news. So we are taking the collection of a beautiful little border collie puppy. We're picking her up on the 13th of November. She'll be just over 8 weeks old at that point. So we've been to meet her. Went to meet her a couple of weeks ago. She's absolutely gorgeous and she'll fit right in as our new dub dog. So we're so excited to go and collect her, and we just want to let you know and let you see her. So what we do want you to do though is have a go at guessing the name.
Guess the name.
There's no prize.
Pop it in the comment below.
The
No doubt you'll see us probably pick her up. You'll see her in the van and doing the rounds with us as Lucy used to. So stay tuned for more pup dates as they come along. Let us know what you think the name is in the comments below.